Hey everyone, struggling with acne-prone skin? Want a natural and easy solution you can make at home? Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple DIY aloe vera face mask that soothes acne, reduces redness, and helps clear your skin without harsh chemicals. Acne can be frustrating, but did you know aloe vera is packed with natural healing properties that can calm inflammation and fight acne-causing bacteria? It's gentle, moisturizing, and perfect for sensitive skin. Best of all, you probably already have it at home. How to make the mask? Here's what you need: fresh aloe vera gel either from the plant or store-bought, and a few simple ingredients like honey or turmeric if you want an extra boost. Scoop about 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel into a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to help fight bacteria and moisturize your skin. Mix well until you get a smooth paste. Apply the mask evenly on your clean face, focusing on acne-prone areas. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. This mask helps reduce redness, soothes irritation, and hydrates your skin, all while helping to clear up acne naturally. Plus, aloe vera speeds up healing and calms your skin after breakouts. Tips for best results: use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Always do a patch test first to make sure your skin reacts well. And remember, consistency is key when using natural remedies. I hope you try this simple DIY aloe vera face mask and love the results. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more natural skincare tips. Comment below if you have any questions or want me to share more DIY skincare recipes. Thanks for watching, and here's to clear, healthy skin naturally.